Suitedash lifetime deal is back again on the app Sumo, and in this video I'm going to check out in the 2026 whether it's actually worth it trying out its features or not. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed review on Suitedash. So it's a business automation and the software tool for managing your clients, projects, team members under a one platform. So you can see here, this is the image worth of 1,000 words, and these are all the tools and platforms with different business objectives. Like Jotform is a form builder, Asana is a team management software, Zapier is a automation tool, Mailchimp is a email marketing platform, and Dropbox is a file exchange platform. But here you can see Suitedash is a combined form of all these platforms in a single dashboard. You can see here in the Suitedash replaces all these platforms with all of their all-in-one features like client portal software. You are going to get advanced file exchange, CRM client management, advanced form builder, no-code automation builder, customized client onboarding, appointment scheduling, project management, time tracking, cloud-based proposal, estimate and business invoices, documents and eSigning, LMS Learning Management tool you are also getting in this tool, custom embeddable forms, email and drip marketing, and real-time chat management with your teams and the member. So all these things you are going to get in this single platform. In the matter of the minute, I will also give you a demo of this tool with showing all of its features. But let me talk a little bit more about this tool, and here you can see how much you can save with the Suitedash. And all these tools pricing you can see here, monthly subscription prices. For the Salesforce you have to pay $25 a month, Asana around $10, Mailchimp around the $55, Jotform $24 a month. This is the Slack $8 per month, and combining these tools for the different business objectives you have to pay around the more than $7,000 a month, and still you cannot integrate every feature and every data within this single platform or the dashboard. But here in the Suitedash you can just getting all these features in the single platform, and plus you can also access data for all of your clients, their works, your team members, and all those kinds with the marketing efficiency here in this single platform. And you have to price, the pricing is just the $99 a month, and you can see this is the $99 month is the monthly subscription. But here we have still more sweet deal available on the app Sumo with the lifetime deal. You can see here Suitedash lifetime deal available with one-time payment, and you are going to get all these features and tools within the platform under this lifetime deal here. Now let me give you a demo and the features tutorial and the showcase of the suitcase. So this is a dashboard. Once you bought its lifetime deal, you are going to enter this dashboard, and here you can access all the features on the left side of the menu. And to get you more understanding on the dashboard, you can see they have even created a tutorial video to understand better their platform. And here you can also check out their knowledge base and all the notifications. And if you want to chat and ask for the support, you can do it from this message. I can just click here, and here you can live chat with the team support to get know more about this platform or having any kind of issue you are problem in the dashboard. Okay, so let me give you the all the features demo. So this is the dashboard, and here we have the calendar. In the calendar you can see all of your appointments and ability on all those kinds you can check out and mark as schedule and to do task. All these things based on the dates and calendar you can manage from here. Then we have the customer relationship management platform, and here you can add contacts and manage your clients data. Then you can even schedule and publish the events, and all these things you can manage around your clients in this CRM platform. Then we have the office, and here you can manage all of your office works and the business, something like the invoices, estimates, proposals, documents, payments and payment gateways. All these things you can connect and related to your office's work you can manage from here. Then we have the projects, and here you can manage your projects and on all of the clients work, like what tasks you have to do, which are the projects you have to done or still have to be done. Then all the tasks, timers, work requests, all these things you can manage from this project. Then we have the marketing, and here we have the marketing section with the campaigns, audiences, templates and around their settings. Then we have the content to promote the your about your services or the things you need to create the content. But how you are going to create and connect the content if there is no blog things available? But Suitedash is just manage that thing too. You can create the different kind of the projects and content related to your work. Then you can see this is the portal, pages and announcement. All these things you can manage in this content section. Then we have the files to manage all of your files and documents in the form in the one place. Then we have the forms section. In the forms you can create the multiple kind of the forms for the your contact purpose, for the proposal, for the email marketing, for the lead generation. All these things you can manage from here and embed in your automations and flows. And like starting from the automation, we have these flows, and in the flow you can connect each feature with the another. Let me show you here. So in the flows you can see here, there is no any flow I have created. To create a one flow I have to create this, click on this plus button. Okay, it is not, let's click. Okay, this is just the tapping button here. So I have to go to this create flow button, and after that you can see it is asking me which kind of flow you want to create. It can be a product onboarding or the software onboarding or on demand flow for any individual customer or the client. Okay, this is for the new user and this is for the existing users. So here you can create the flow, and basically this is the very good if you have a new software or the new service and introduce to new users or the existing users, you can create the flow. Then we have the messaging section, and here you will be amazed because you are going to get a detailed dashboard for the managing all of your like all of your emails in a single platform that you are going to send and receive from clients. Let me show what I'm meaning here. So it's more like familiar with the Gmail. You can see this is the inbox, and here I can check out all the messages I got from the clients and I have replied them. Then we have the send box, and if I go to this new message, it will ask me to send a detailed message or email to new clients or any of these things. You can see to here I can select to individual client to all the clients. Okay, then here's CC subject line, and this is my message, and after that within the same platform I can send this message to my all clients or the individual one. Now let me show you more of the features because there are still some more features remaining in this menu section. Then we have the automation, and automation I can create the emails and automations to send out the clients, and it is more likely the alternative to the MailChimp like I have showed you. Then we have the LMS, and in the LMS product section I can create courses and offer and sell courses within the same platform. Let me show you. To start creating the course or add the course, just click on this plus button. Okay, and here it will ask you the course title, description, lessons, chapters, what kind of the course content you want to offer. All these things you can just manage from here. I want this course to also be a product. I will add this course to be an existing product, so you can start from here. So I want this course to be a product. Then here you can see a course title, summary, description. Here you can add the thumbnail and the tags, and after that once everything is done, you can see here you can add the video, image, PDF, all the files you can manage from here. And once your course is added, it will show under the products as a product, and you can even sell out these products because in the office section I have showed you we have the payments and gateways options to integrate with, and whenever a customer going to buy your course, you will end up getting some money in the transaction section. Okay, and in these settings you can just configure all the things like this CRM, content, projects, office work, marketing, all these things by individually. You can also configure here. For example, you can see in the CRM we also got this setting button, but this is just especially for the CRM section. But in the settings we can also go to the for all these features settings in this single section here. Okay, so they have also do it in the very good way. So you can see here Suitedash is especially filled with many amazing features, and in a single platform I can get these tools objectives in a single dashboard. Okay, so this tool is definitely worth checking out, and it's lifetime deal, making it more sweeter to get it now because you don't have to pay the monthly subscription prices. So that's all for today's video, and if you want to check out the this lifetime deal page, you can find the link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed my tutorial and demo of this suitcase review with the detailed information, just hit the like button. Make sure to also subscribe my channel for more upcoming SaaS tools, reviews, softwares, updates and alerts. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.